So here's an interesting concept. I'm walking on the very frozen lake, and there are the boat docks. And here's some more sculptures. This one's kind of interesting. Abstract, sort of, and I really kind of like this one. They get really beautiful when the sun shines on them. And then here is where the chapel will be. There'll be a wedding here next Saturday. And this is I guess it's going to have walls and all kinds of stuff. But for now, just part of it is laid out. And the bride's flowers will go in here. And it's interesting, the bottom of that vase is not blue, it's just clear, but the reflection of the light around it makes it blue.